Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to buy a domain name for your Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log into your Shopify store and go to your Shopify dashboard. And then after that, click on the settings button. After clicking on the settings button, now you have to select domains button. Click on the domains button. And now click on the option buy new domain button. After that, choose the domain name and click on the buy button. Now personal information will appear, fill that. And now in order summary, tick if you want to buy every year the same domain. So after that, click on the buy domain button. So that's how you will buy a domain name on Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.